What if I told you that when you eat is just as important as what you eat for fat loss? Yes, timing your meals can actually help your body burn fat more efficiently, and science backs it up. So if you're trying to lose weight and feel stuck, the clock might be your missing secret weapon. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fat loss benefits of meal timing. When should you eat breakfast? Is late night eating really that bad? And what does science say about fasting windows? Stick around till the end for a simple daily eating schedule that could help you lose fat without changing your entire diet. And if you want to fast-track your weight loss naturally, check the training link in the description. No pills, no nonsense. 1. Why timing matters. Here's the deal. Our bodies run on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It not only controls sleep but also influences how we digest food and burn fat. Studies show that eating earlier in the day helps with blood sugar control, insulin sensitivity, and fat oxidation, while late-night eating increases fat storage, especially around the belly. Translation? Eating at the wrong time can confuse your metabolism, even if you're eating healthy foods. 2. Best time for breakfast. Should you eat breakfast or skip it? If your goal is fat loss, eating breakfast between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. may actually kickstart your metabolism, but only if you're eating the right foods like protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Some people prefer intermittent fasting, which means they delay breakfast until 11 a.m. or 12 noon. This can work too, but only if your eating window stays clean and controlled. Bottom line, whether you eat early or fast till noon, the key is to avoid sugar and refined carbs in your first meal. 3. Ideal lunch timing. Lunch should be your biggest and most balanced meal of the day. Aim to eat it between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m., when your digestion is at its peak. Here's why it matters. A well-timed, high-fiber, high-protein lunch helps prevent late-day snacking, reduces cravings, and stabilizes blood sugar. This keeps your body in fat-burning mode for longer hours. Great fat loss-friendly lunch options include grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies, a big salad with olive oil and avocado, lentil soup with whole grain toast. 4. Worst time to eat. If fat loss is your goal, the biggest mistake is eating late at night, especially after 9 p.m. Late meals don't just interfere with sleep. They cause a spike in insulin when your body wants to be resting, not digesting. So try to finish dinner by 7:30 p.m., and keep it light. Steamed veggies plus lean protein soup with minimal carb, herbal tea instead of dessert. Avoid high-carb or sugary meals close to bedtime. They're fat-trapping time bombs. 5. A simple meal schedule for fat loss. Here's a simple schedule that supports fat loss without extreme dieting. 8:30 a.m. protein-rich breakfast, eggs, chia pudding, Greek yogurt. 1 p.m. balanced lunch, high protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. 6:30 p.m. light dinner, steamed veggies plus tofu or fish. No snacks after 7:30 p.m. You can shift the time slightly, but keep the rule. Eat earlier, eat clean, stop eating before sleep. So remember, fat loss isn't just about eating less, it's about eating smart and on time. If you start aligning your meals with your body clock, fat loss becomes easier, more natural, and sustainable. Want a done-for-you diet plan that aligns with your lifestyle? Check the link in the description. It's helped thousands lose weight without crash diets or gym stress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who always eats dinner at 11 p.m. See you in the next one.